Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So we take a look at just a short-term price action here at the moment. We're currently tracking a possible breakout pattern. Yeah, if you like to get a bit more context, feel free to check out my previous videos. In the last couple of days, I showed the larger degree wave count as well, and we'll probably do that later again. At the moment, we have a 5-wave move to the upside that could be developing, but at present, we only have 3 waves up. And this is a very decisive moment because we could be dealing with a B wave top here, which could result in a C wave to the downside in basically an impulse, which would be a 5-wave move down after 3 waves up. You can always get 5 waves down. That would be the bearish scenario, okay? And could lead in the yellow wave count to another low. That is still technically possible. And if we make one more low, I think we deal with 1535 roughly as a target, the 78.6 retracement, and it should go below the 1630 level definitely, which is the 15th of June low. Now that's the bearish possibility. I would really only emphasize that one if we break below that ascending trend line. At the moment, it's holding the trend line. Price is holding the trend line. Price could be moving up in a diagonal or an impulse. I would like price to hold 1820. So this structure is a little bit less clear than Bitcoin's. I think Bitcoin has a chance to be impulsive, whereas Ethereum's is most likely an aggressive diagonal. In a diagonal, pullbacks can be a little bit deeper or at least a little bit less reliable and adhere a little bit less to Fibonacci retracement targets. Normally, in an impulse, I would not want a wave 4 to break below the 50% retracement. Here, I wouldn't completely rule out that it does it. But for now, I would like to see price head into the orange support area here, which is typically the relevant and the standard support area for a wave 4 and not break below 1820. If it does that, it wouldn't be a disaster as long as it's holding the trend line around $1780 to $1800, okay? But for now, we can be watching for a local downtrend here, possibly in the wave 4. Should unfold as an ABC structure. Wouldn't be surprised to see a more deep wave 4 because the wave 2 was rather shallow. Let's just double check what the wave 2 did. I think the wave 2 retraced to around about 50%. No, only the 38.2 retracement. So it is a rather shallow wave 2 here. Nothing invalid or anything, but rather shallow. So the wave 4 could be a bit deeper. We'll see. Certainly relevant support is 1880, which was pretty much reached with 1883 already. Then 1846 and 1820. As long as it's holding one of these levels, it's all good. And from here at one of these levels, we need to be watching for a possible reaction to the upside in a wave 5. This is certainly something to watch for. And we've got a possible ABC structure that I'm tracking here in wave 4. And a first sign that the local downtrend here is over would be a break above the B wave high at 1912. And then price could move higher in ideally one more wave up in 5 waves. As soon as we have 5 waves up, we can look for a larger ABC pullback in a wave 2, which would provide another pullback trading opportunity possibly, yeah? But first of all, Ethereum needs to prove to us that we are bullish by putting in place 5 waves up and not just 3. This is relevant support. And obviously I would pay some attention to the relevant levels, the relevant Fib levels, and to the 1912 level, which will be the first sign that the pullback is over. And then we could head to one of these resistances above. We've got 1964 and 2020. And above that, we have the April high at $2,130, $2,140. Just a quick update about Ethereum. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.